Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the right tools and taking the first live step. Install Python 3. 11 or newer, then open your editor. Once done, create a project folder and run Python mvenv. Venv, activate that environment so dependencies stay isolated. Make sure to install the VS Code Python extension if you use VS Code. Now open a new file main. Type a print, hello, line and run it. This proves your environment works and lets you iterate safely. You now deepen practice by coding core patterns. Start with variables if/else, loops, and small functions. Run each change to see behavior. Once confident, pip install a utility like requests and import it to understand packages. Freeze versions to requirements. TXT so the setup is repeatable. Make sure to open and write a small file to practice I/O. Then model a simple class to see how objects group state and behavior. This explains why functions alone become. You finish by assembling what you learned into a small, testable tool. Build a short CLI script that accepts arguments, then add a couple of PyTest unit tests and run them to confirm behavior. When bugs appear, use breakpoints and targeted prints to inspect state, read exception traces to pinpoint causes. If issues persist, isolate the problem into a minimal example and rerun it inside afresh. Venv. This isolates external factors and makes troubleshooting fast and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.